Oh, well, now I've just outed myself. I'm sorry about that, Chair.
That's exactly what officers of the court should do. Thank you. Perhaps the starting point is this, the order. I accordingly make the following order. The relief sought in prayers 2 and 3 of the applicant's notice of motion dated 18 February 2026 is refused. The reasons will be handed out hopefully after the tea adjournment. I requested the research, the commission's researchers to dot the I's and cross the T's because I did not have much time to do the editing myself. So I hope it will be ready after the tea break. That is the order.
Chair.
Prayers 3 and 4 of the notice of motion, because we already dealt with 2.
Yes.
Thank you.
No, thank you, Chair. Just for the record then, our client is waiting in the new holding pen, and I don't know, I assume the Commission will attend to bringing him down here as and when.
Shouldn't we
Could we adjourn for...
adjourn and wait for an indication that everything is ready?
That would be appreciated, Chair.
Chair, before
Yes,
we may do so, I'm sorry to be so interruptive right out of the starting gate. I understand that my learned friend, I raised an issue with my learned friend regarding the witness and the need for comfort breaks, obviously subject to your discretion. I've explained the reasons to my learned friend, which I will not be reiterating in public in this way. So, safe to say that the personal circumstances of the witness might require comfort breaks and accommodation, and if he indicates as much, then we'll be in your hands, please, Chair.
All right. No, there's no way we would stand in the way of that. Do you have any idea, based perhaps on the history, in quotation marks, as to what the intervals are like?
Might I take an instruction?
Yes.
Chair, I'm told anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour and a half is the interval period, but obviously extenuating circumstances may mean it's sooner, it may mean it's later, but I think it's just to say it's not going to be every 5 minutes, it's going to be for chunks of time that he might just need to be accommodated.
Let's see how things go.
Thank you, Chair, I'm indebted.
Thank you. Let's adjourn.
From the moment you walk in is all the evidence we need for that. Thank you very much. Yeah, and they've got you too, actually. So am I. Good. Get my name correct. My name is not Mr. Carrim, firstly. And secondly, yes, you're right. We are subject to you. You must remember that you exercise power on behalf of the Republic, not on behalf of yourself.
During the break, it was brought to our attention that there was an altercation inside the auditorium. It has also since been brought to our attention that this is now all over television. For the record, I think in the light of the broadcast, I should bring it to the public that we called all the legal representatives outside, and we were briefly advised as to what had taken place. But most importantly, Mr. Premhid tendered an unequivocal apology to the Commission Secretary, which the Commission Secretary accepted. I think we should leave it there. Thank you all. Mr. Commissioner Baloyi is saying she got the sense that Mr. Shaskalson wanted to say something
no,
about...
Chair, if things are going to be said publicly, I need to place on record that I behaved rudely to the legal team of Mr. Carrim before that altercation, and I apologize for that.
Thank you very much for the apology. Is it accepted?
Yes, we have no issue with accepting.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And thanks, Commissioner Baloyi, for bringing that to my attention. Yes, Mr. Bana.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, I just want to place on record two matters. The first deals with documents that we have been drip-fed since Friday and over the weekend. You will recall, and I was not involved, on the 6th of February, the postponement was caused by late documents that were handed to Mr. Carrim's legal team by the Commission's evidence leaders. Following upon that, we received documents on Friday in terms of the directive, and I'll deal with why those documents should not have been produced earlier. In terms of...
Mr. Bana, may I just raise this? We've seen the correspondence, and may I just find out from Mr. Shaskalson if he will be referring to or relying on the documents that were served after the postponement, not the supplementary bundle that was to be served on the 6th. The other documents, will you be using those today? Because what I have in mind, so as to save time, because a lot of time has been lost already, what I have in mind is whether it's possible for you to only use that documentation tomorrow and not today.
Chair, if we're talking about the documents, there was one written page and an electronic spreadsheet, which is the underlying source material for a document already in the bundle. I don't intend to refer to either of those today. There was as well, so there were the Friday documents, and then there were 6 pages.
Yeah, I wanted to refer to the 6 pages because I saw reference to 6 pages.
The 6 pages I will refer to today.
Mr. Bana, what do you think would practically cure? But 6 pages, when were the 6 pages served?
On Saturday.
On Saturday.
May I say this? It's not just a question of the number of pages in one spreadsheet. That spreadsheet I haven't even looked at. We received notice of it this morning at 8 o'clock. We asked for hard copies. We understand they're being printed, but people that have viewed it electronically say it's dense information. But whether it's 1 page or 6, consultations are set up with the witness, consultations are held, and despite correspondence from my attorney saying, please don't drip feed us with documents, documents just keep appearing with no explanation as to why they were not given. In fact, even the Friday documents, it's clear the Commission was in possession of that ages ago. They could have been included when we were given the bundle on the 6th February. Instead, they were not. And attitude was taken, we'll see what's in your statement, and then we'll decide to give you the documents. That's a classic ambush. Giving us documents on the morning when we're traveling to court is a classic ambush. And it's no comfort to say we won't use those documents today, we'll deal with them tomorrow. We're all under constraints. Most of the legal team are fasting. It's Ramadan. The witness is fasting. We have a full day here. There's no time for after-hours consultation. And we've then got to deal on the hoof, so to speak, with documents that could have been provided. The Commission knew it was going to be using this. When I say the Commission, I obviously refer to the evidence leaders. And it's not acceptable where this rule of fairness is just ignored, and we're given documents. A letter was literally written at noon on Sunday saying we're being drip-fed documents. Please tell us there won't be any further documents in unequivocal terms. And despite being told there won't be further documents, we get those documents today. So it's a question of fairness. It's a question of why these documents are not produced, and it's a question of in our view, the evidence leaders trying to ambush Mr. Carrim by producing documents at a very late stage, which he hasn't had a full and proper opportunity to consult on. There's no reason we should be put through this in the holy month to have to expect to consult with a witness after hours when people are taken up by the breaking of the fast, by prayers and other such matters. The second issue is more concerning, though. Having looked...
And let me flag something in this regard. Both those 6 pages concern issues relating to Mr. Morgan Maumela. Mr. Carrim and his legal team know that issues relating to Morgan Maumela are directly are going to be traversed in this matter. They were listed both in the notice in terms of Regulation 10.6, requesting the statement, and in the summons. For reasons which I don't know, and which hopefully Mr. Carrim will explain, despite being instructed to issue a statement concerning the nature and extent of his relationship with Mr. Morgan Maumela, he declined to do so. He says nothing about Mr. Morgan Maumela. He clearly doesn't want to speak about Mr. Morgan Maumela. Those 6 pages raise important issues relating to Mr. Morgan Maumela. He's chosen not to engage with them. The attitude from the Commission side is he must, and he must answer